Here's just a quick tip on your Bosch fridge freezer. Now, if I open it, on the top you see these temperature settings. So if you press the button, you toggle through, and just to be sure, okay, and these are the warmer ones, these correspond to the degrees in Celsius of your machine. This is the fridge, because you can see it's more, and over here, the minuses, understandably, are the freezer. Now you might be wondering about the super. If you set it to super, this will put it into an even colder temperature setting. I guess it's -26 and 0, corresponding for freezer over on the right and fridge on the left, but I don't know. It doesn't even say in the manual, but it puts it into that mode for 15 hours. So what it suggests in the manual, and I'm going to put it on eco just because I'm in a cold climate and I'm trying to save money, but it says in the manual that it goes into that mode for 15 hours, and it just gives you an intense quick freeze. So if you've bought lots of frozen food at the supermarket, or even just food in general, maybe the frozen food started to thaw on the way home, you can put that in, and then after 15 hours it will reset to whatever it was before. So you can put the super on and it'll go to the setting you had before. And yeah, I mean, it's just an added thing that you've got. I haven't used it much. I probably should. Also, if you see the alarm flashing, that just means that your fridge freezer, and I don't think it tells you which one, is actually above the maximum recommended temperature to keep your food cool. So it's a warning light. That'll probably indicate some faulty components when you probably want to try cleaning the back of the machine. I can do another video on that soon. But yeah, it has been a good fridge freezer for us. Just remember, you've got those temperature settings, you may as well use them. And I'll do a few more videos on this Bosch fridge freezer. As you can see down below, got the fridge freezer. Oh, and that's a sign to finish up because it's been open for 2 minutes and it's getting too warm. So I'm going to stop there. The alarm is going. Check out another video here soon. I'll see you again. Bye.